So if you stepped through main plus 56, the last store to the stack, you should see something like this. All the usual suspects, saved frame pointers, uninitialized space for alignment at the bottom, but now when we look at it, we see B, A, and C. So we can see that they're not actually allocated in the same order as we saw in the source code. So Balboa still bled blood and was stored into C of 2, but that's not necessarily where we would expect if we expected them to be in all the same order. So that is our takeaway from this ArrayLocalVariable2.0 no cookie. It is that the compiler could actually rearrange stuff, and it seems like it's going to do that more when it's dealing with arrays than when we deal with scalars, as we've seen in the past. The other minor point, because I didn't say it already, is that A was fully initialized to zeros because of that syntax with the equals and then the empty curly braces. But again, the main takeaway I want you to take from this is the fact that the compiler could rearrange things. It's not actually required to put them in exactly the order they were declared.